Welcome to the House Doctor. If you've ever tried to put molding in, you know how frustrating it can be to get accurate miter cuts. I'm going to show you a few quick tips that'll make it much easier for you in the future. If you have a digital angle finder, that's going to make it much easier, or even a simple bevel gauge. But you can't use them in all situations. Let me show you what I mean. If you have a corner like this that you need to do, the easiest thing to do is take your digital angle finder and just put it in place. Get your reading and divide it by 2 and make your cuts. If you have a tight corner like this, there's no way of getting your angle finder in there and you can't really do anything with it. Even your bevel gauge isn't going to fit. Here's the simple solution. Get yourself a piece of paper or cardboard, rough cut it, and put it in place. You might want to tape it down, but just make sure it doesn't move. Now take yourself a piece of molding or any other kind of wood, put it up against, and trace the bottom. And then put it on the other side and trace the bottom again. Then take your molding, lay it flat, trace again, and do the same thing on the other side. Trace again. Now you have a representation of this angle. Now just take any straight edge and join the 2 corners. And now your angle's perfectly bisected. You could take this to your miter saw or measure it with your angle finder. Mark your piece for length and make your cuts. Once you have your miters cut, you're happy with the fit, take your super glue, put a little super glue gel on one side, spray your activator on the other, and then put the joints together. You only have to hold it for a few seconds. And you're good to go.